All right, everybody, let's check out this cool ass rat rod. This came in for some minor repairs. Like most rat rods, you see it going down the road, you're like, hey man, that thing's pretty cool, it's unique. Has some of the trendy stuff going on it, has some unique stuff. You know, it's cool. Like it. This kind of stuff's fun. Well, customer needs some minor tweaks, adjustments, some repairs. Wants to make it a little bit more dependable, right? It hasn't really been that fun for him. 351 Windsor in it, and he's never been able to roast the tires. So first thing we do is we get underneath it, we start taking a look at the leaks. See what kind of craftsmanship was in this thing, you know, because hey, it's a rat rod. There should be some ingenuity in it. There should be some engineering with the parts you have available. Well, apparently skill's not required. You guys see what I'm looking at here yet? So we have a Nissan frame, a Nissan rear end. It's 53 Ford truck. You guys see the angle of that drive shaft? Anybody that knows the Nissan trucks knows that that rear end is offset to accommodate the transfer case. Well, that doesn't really work. So there's a huge issue. Now, the tail here leaks a ton. That's his biggest leak with the transmission. And obviously, this thing doesn't line up right. Furthermore, it doesn't fit. It's sitting about right here inside, and it's not lined up with the spline because that is not the correct drive shaft joint. And we can start nitpicking it and say, hey, you know what? I'm sure that's nice and balanced. Being that, you know, he welded that thing with some precision, and if he welded it like that, I'm sure he took it down to the drive shaft shop to get it balanced and all that good stuff. But hey, that's all the shit you do to a hot rod. Rat rods don't need that. You guys see the cool ass cross members here? So we got leaks all over. Some of this stuff we've fixed already just so we can get it around the block and take it over our buddies, the training shop. See what they thought of this nonsense. Here's our cross member for the original frame that's been hacked and cut, which hey, so be it, except for the torsion bars. So this frame, when you turn, the frame twists. It twists big time. And when that twist opposes that drive shaft, this car wants to just take you off the road, but the rear end wants to go the other way. Check out the welds on this one. Those are definitely gonna hold and stay there. And continuing on, we have some custom made motor mounts. One of a kind, baby. One of a kind. I'm sure this guy had a few beers and told his buddies about how bad Lincoln welders suck or Harbor Freight welders suck. Probably had nothing to do with, you know, experience or skill set or any of that nonsense. But yeah, so it's just the tip of the iceberg. And what's my point to showing you all this? Well, I need to identify why cars are priced the way they are. Just because it's rusty, it's because it's junky, doesn't mean it's a piece of shit. And it's not supposed to be that way. Like I mentioned earlier, there's supposed to be some ingenuity, engineering behind it. It's supposed to be cool. Not a hacked up job. So for the uninformed, if you're gonna buy a rat rod, bring it to your local shop. Have that thing thrown up on the rack. Have them take a look at it. Make sure you're getting your money's worth. Because unfortunately, this job isn't gonna be a simple repair job. Most likely this customer will be getting a new frame, rear end, and turn this thing into something cool. We'll come back for that later. See ya.